Springtime is here. Look at that. It is a beautiful day outside. So you just thought you was gonna watch a video on how to maximize using Gig app. Man, I need you to hit that like button and that subscribe button. I'm showing you all the tips and tricks on how to maximize using Gig app. Come on, man, stop playing with me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Back to the channel. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. On this channel, we help you maximize with Gig app. As you can see right here, I turned my Doordash app on. And whenever you see this, you know it's gonna be some problems. It's just loading. Because look, it ain't folks is out here trying to make this money. What is going on? We need the app to work properly. How you doing? Like, what's up? This amazes me how they can charge all these fees and have all these service charges and long distance charge, and it's a maintenance fee, and it's a baby fee, and it's a tap dance on your back of your head fee. Like, what is going on? But I turned the app on and it don't work. Like, come on, Doordash, we got to do better. Like, we got to do better, Doordash. Come on. Now I got to turn on Uber, and I got to see what's crack-lacking over there. Because the app glitching already. First thing, I guess since the Doordash app decided it don't want to work today, I guess I'm forced to turn on Uber. And while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and turn on Walmart Spark too. Because you know what? This is going to be day number 6. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I ain't got enough fingers. 6. Today is going to be day number 6 of giving Doordash less time. And you know what? I want to give them a little bit of time. But good golly, when they wake up, like, not having their stuff together, what I'm supposed to do? I got to hit on Uber. Come on. Let's see what's crack-lacking on Uber. There go to Uber right there. Let's see if we can get something popping. Are we in there? Beam, we in there. Yes, sir. I probably ain't gonna get nothing on Uber. It's kind of early in the morning. It's 10:21 in the morning, guys. So you know what? I should expect that because Doordash usually don't even have their stuff together until about 11 o'clock. So you know what? It's all good. We gonna roll with it. But I'm gonna tell you this right here. I'm finna go up in this Walmart and I'm finna grab me something to drink. Because you know what? I came out the house ready to go. And Doordash ain't got their stuff together. At least it's a beautiful day out here. Look how nice it is outside. Sun just shining. We just had a tornado warning the other day. I got caught in that. And it's been a couple what? Yeah. Alrighty. So I got my first order of the day. And I got a question for you. Let me know in the comments down below. Would you take a Walmart Spark order batch like this? And how long would it take you to do it? Look at that. We got 1, 2, 4, 5 cases of water on this batch. And a whole bunch of bread, a whole bunch of chips. Let me know in the comments below. How long would it take you to shop a Walmart Spark batch like this? I'm gonna tell you right now. This is for you, Dash and Grandpa. This one right here took me a total of 20 minutes to shop it, and the drop off is 5 minutes away. And even if it was an apartment, I still would get it done within 30 minutes. Show you right here. If you do Walmart Spark, even if you get a whole bunch of cases of water, don't worry. You grab the mugs, you stack them up, you put them in your trunk. Make sure you got some space. You see how I got my space right here? Now watch this. Boom. I'm gonna throw this one inside here. Like that. I'm gonna throw this over here like this, and now we good to go. I'm finna throw them waters right here, and then I'm gonna have room for everything else. So for anybody that say you can't do a Walmart Spark batch with a whole bunch of cases of water on it, some people try to sit up here and say it's gonna take you 2 hours. No, I got this batch. It took me literally like 17 minutes to shop this. I'm talking about from the time I walked in, grabbed everything, and checked out. That's easy. You're going to get batches like this done within an hour and probably be able to get 2 of them done if you're not lazy, if you keep them feet moving, and if you're hustling trying to get that money. Now that we got a little minute, I just dropped off that Walmart Spark order. $30 for like 2 miles. Like, I can't even, like, Walmart Spark has been leading the charge when it comes to paying their drivers well, you know what I'm saying, making the process of signing up easy, even though it may take a while in some cases. It's fairly simple to sign up. You don't got to jump through a whole bunch of hoops. You know what I'm saying? And then once you get on, you got an opportunity to really make some good money and some great offers. You know what, real quick, if you ain't downloaded Solo, I would highly encourage you to do so. Solo is an app that you can use to track your mileage and keep track of all your expenses while doing delivery apps. And they also offer pay guarantee in certain select markets. I think they actually have it in my market. So right here, you can see I can see my average earnings. I can see my expenses. I can, you know, get started on my taxes for next year. I already did my taxes for last year. But you can link all your gig delivery platform in here with Solo. You can keep track of all your earnings, keep track of your mileage. It's really a great all-in-one app. And I highly encourage you to download it. If you want to, you can use my link down below and you can get, you know what I'm saying, started with Solo and get on the right track to really managing your expenses and keeping track of everything easily and simply. So shout out to Solo. They is not sponsoring this video, but I use them, so I wanted to make sure I let you guys know, because anything that we can use as gig delivery drivers to maximize or improve our experience or potentially increase our earnings, you know Trader gonna let you know what's going on. So shout out to Solo. Go ahead and download that and use my link below. And check this out. Last week, I was able to make $219 with UberEats. Boom, let's get it. Now, we finna go over the earnings that I made with the other apps too. Let's look at that real quick. Ooh, we got a nice little order popping up on Uber. Nope, no we don't. $13.05 for 15 miles. That was my earnings for the week on UberEats. Now we're gonna check in over here on Doordash, and we did a little bit better on Doordash. Active time, 16 hours and 3 minutes. Dash time, 29 hours. So that means I had the Doordash app on for almost 30 hours. But of those 30 hours, I was only active on the DoorDash assignment for 16 of those hours. And in 16 hours on DoorDash, we was able to make $378, 200 and something on Uber. And then on Walmart Spark, we did quite well also. We came in on Walmart Spark and we did $340. And we don't see the amount of time, but what we can estimate from that is from my DoorDash dash time, my 30 hours, that's pretty much the whole time throughout the week that I had the apps on. So across the board from UberEats to Walmart Spark to DoorDash, I'm able to use my DoorDash active time, okay, to give me an estimation of how long I was on DoorDash, but I use my dash time on DoorDash to estimate exactly how long I was out using all delivery apps. So let's add up them totals right there. We got $340.81 on Walmart Spark, $340.81, and on DoorDash we got $378.94, and coming in on UberEats, $219.78. Not bad. So my weekly earnings for the week of April 10th through April 17th is going to be $939.53. Now, this is like one of the better weeks that I've been having because in the past, I've been focusing on DoorDash, right? Not maximizing, giving them too much energy. And in turn, what happens is I make less money, work more hours on that app, and I end up driving a lot more miles. So I show you all these earnings to show you that you don't have to put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio when it comes to the apps that you choose to work. Shout out to the Gig Geezer. He's doing a great job showing you different apps you can use while doing the cargo van business. And that's just another different avenue when it comes to being a gig delivery. And next, I want to also say shout out to Aphid Cart. My boy been out there doing his Instacart thing for a minute, but he also sprinkles in a little bit of Walmart Spark and a little bit of DoorDash. And his channel primarily focuses on using Instacart to maximize, but he also uses these other apps in conjunction so that if his primary app ain't hidden, he always has other apps he can use. So I would encourage you to go check out these two content creators, Aphid Cart and Gig Geezer. Both of them have great channels, over 5,000 subscribers, so you know they've been putting in that work, so you might as well go ahead, head over and watch, and you might as well subscribe. So look, I need you to make sure if you're trying to maximize the cargo van business, go ahead and check out my man Gig Geezer. He giving great knowledge and dropping some gems over there. And if you focus primarily on grocery shopping app, check out Aphid Cart. Great channel. That's the homie over there, St. Louis representing. Go ahead and check him out, because look, you're gonna be able to maximize if you be able to add these into your repertoire, and then you can make that money. Let's go. So look, before we end this, I want to make sure I encourage you to download Solo. Use my link, and link will be in the description, and those channels links will also be in the description. Use every tool available to you when you out. And another thing that gets me to my next point, if you out there and you worrying about high gas prices, try downloading Upside. You can earn cash back on the gas you put into your vehicle. You know what I'm saying? It's super simple. You sign up, you link up your debit card, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna tell you the gas prices in your area, so that way you can already have a good idea of where you need to head to get the best price for gas. And then once you get there, you use your debit card that you got linked up with Upside. And look, they is not sponsoring this video at all. I'm just trying to give you anything and everything I think that can help you make money and maximize. And I definitely be using Upside. I done cashed out about 3-4 times, got my cash back, and it ain't much. Sometimes it's just 10 cents, 15 cents, but then there are promotional times where they have 15, 45, 50 cent cash back on each gallon you get. So they can be a game changer right there. I mean, look, gas is $3.89 out here in my market. I drive, 30 miles away to get gas for 40 cents cheap. So if I do that in conjunction with using Upside, imagine how much I'm saving. And that's not even to mention the cash back you get from time to time using your Dash or Direct card. And that leads me into my next point. If you're using DoorDash, make sure you download Dash or Direct, because look, we all know that DoorDash can literally deactivate you at any time. Okay, you have no job security when it comes to DoorDash, because what you got to realize is they gonna deactivate you first and figure it out later. So if a customer decide to lie on you, if a customer report that you never delivered their item, Hey, you can check out the video I just posted the other day. A guy ended up confronting a lady at her job. Now, I don't recommend that. Don't go back to nobody's residence or place of work after completing the delivery. Don't ever do that. But he did it though, right? And he got a contract violation, and that's one thing in itself that can be removed or resolved. But now you're in a situation where now your account could be deactivated because you harassing the customer. Hey, take it from me, I know. Keep yourself safe. Get you the Dasher Direct card. That way, if you ever do unexpectedly get deactivated, all your earnings that you built up for the whole week, they won't go down the drain. Okay, it's happened to multiple people already and a few content creators. So you want to make sure you're protecting yourself. Use that Dasher Direct. You can get instant payouts every single day. And the best part is, if you happen to get deactivated, God forbid, your money's safe. And that way you good to go. And you know, the cash back on the gas, you know, it might only be 2% sometimes, but again, there are different times throughout the year where it's promotional things going on, and they may bump it up to 10 cents. So now you driving to the best gas station in your area, getting the best gas for the cheapest price, right? And on top of that, you're using Upside, so now you saving, you know what I'm saying? You saving on money through Upside, and you getting the cheapest gas, and you getting cash back on Dasher Direct. So you win in 3 different ways, right? And you protecting yourself, because if you get deactivated, you get your money right away. You don't want to be like the guy on the news who got deactivated and lost over $1,000 because he didn't have Dasher Direct. Protect yourself. Look, as always, I'm your boy, FDA Dashing Trader. I'm gonna hook you up. I'm gonna give you all the knowledge so you can maximize when you out. And if you ain't already, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. I got a goal of 10,000 subscribers, and I'm trying to hit it as quickly as possible. I'm trying to get some of this YouTube money, so make sure you watch all my videos and don't skip none of them. Stop playing with me. Oh, so you just thought you was gonna watch a video on how to maximize using Gig app. Man, I need you to hit that like button and that subscribe button. I'm showing you all the tips and tricks on how to maximize using Gig apps like Doordash and Uber. Come on, man, stop playing with me. Alrighty, just dropped off order number 2. Time right now is actually 3 o'clock in the evening, second order of the day. And I initially, hold on, gotta put the seatbelt on. I initially came out the house today at 10:30, got my 1 order done, and then I went back home, got a bunch of editing done. That's the beauty of being a gig economy worker. You can work on your terms. I'm at 60 bucks for the day. Only need 40 more to hit my daily goal, and I'm finna go back and forth to the house until I see good orders, and I'm gonna get work done there, making money that way also. So this, look, if it's any potential content creators out there, I encourage you, keep grinding, keep at it, because look, you're gonna look up one day, you're gonna be monetized, you're gonna be making money on your videos, making money doing your gig work, and then the sky's the limit from there. So even on slow days like today, you still able to maximize. I didn't spend probably 4 hours total on the computer today handling business and editing videos, and that's the beauty of being a gig economy worker. Next order, we checking in at Sam's Club, guys. $17.34 for 8 miles. This one got quite a few pickups on it, but the thing is though, the Sam's Club orders, they never show the tips. And if anybody, you know, if you got, you know, 2 pennies to rub together, you know that Sam's Club customers got money. These ain't no cheap customers, and I've come to find that they do it for a reason. But if you can find an order on Sam's Club that's still giving you 2 to 1 miles to money ratio, you good to go, because the tips gonna come in once the earnings day hit. So we at Sam's Club now. I'm in spot number 8. Let's go ahead and check in and get this order. Those 4 drop-offs were super easy. All of them was close distance. 8 miles on that one, but I don't know. I don't think that was really 8 miles. Yes, sir. I cannot be stopped. Let's go. Yes, sir. Next order, $38.23 for 11.3. Man, like, it do not get no better than that. That order right there is gonna put me over my $100 goal, and it's at the Walmart right by my house. Look, download some Walmart Spark if you can, because that's where the money is at. I'm trying to tell you. Now, it's still plenty of time in the day to get some DoorDash and some Uber done, but guess what? I hit my daily goal by using a different app. This is what they don't want you to know. They don't want you to know that you can go ahead and try some grocery delivery, and you can hit that daily goal, smash it out of the park before midday, right? And then you got the rest of the day to do whatever you want. Now, I don't know what your daily goal is, but you know, check out some Walmart Spark. I know I always talk about Walmart Spark, right? But try out some Instacart, try out some Ship. It's a lot of different grocery delivery apps out there that may not have such a long waiting process like Walmart Spark. Look, I would highly encourage you to do so. We're gonna head over to the Glen Carpet Walmart to pick up this next order. $38.23 for 11 miles. Let's go. We still knocking out 3 to 1 miles to money ratio. This one is a double order, but man, I'm telling you, like, them tips be rolling in on these Walmart orders, so you ain't even got to worry. And today Tuesday, so if you can make money like this early in the week, you're gonna set yourself up for a nice week. Up, we're gonna be adding $20.15 to the tally. This one is only going 4 miles away. Shop and deliver, and it's only 11 items, but I did go ahead and get a preview of them. It is a case of water on there, but you know what? No worries. I did my push-ups this morning. Trader is good to go. So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and knock this one out, and that should put me at like 135 for the day. And that's before any great tips gonna come through on them Sam's Club orders that I did, because you better believe they is. But check it out though. We about to step up in here and get some lunch real quick. We are gonna be eating Thai. We at Zap Thai today. Let's go up in here and see if they got my order ready. I placed me an order for pickup on Doordash. So I advise you to use them promo codes that they give us dashers whenever you out and about and you need something to eat. Use them promo codes. I use Takeoff 4 to get like 20% off this order. 4 minutes and already got half of the shopping done. Let's go. Next order, we got a double order, $24.78 for 5.9 miles or 5.8. I can't remember. What is this going on over here? Because I can't even find this house. Where the hell is this last time? It's now 6:30. I've been working for 2.5 hours straight. I've been out here consistently since 4. I got a goal of 10,000 subscribers, and I'm trying to hit it as quickly as possible. I'm trying to get some of this YouTube money, so make sure you watch all my videos and don't skip none of them. Stop playing with me. Clock. But before that, I was working sporadically. I was only accepting orders from the crib and leaving out when they was ready to go, completing them and coming back, because it was going pretty slow for this Tuesday. But guess what? I was able to make $161. You know, and basically, like, what if I had to estimate, I would say I gave Walmart Spark maybe a total of 4 hours today. And I mean, that's total time, including everything. So in 4 hours, 161 bucks, and I had the freedom to get 2 videos edited at home, go buy me some lunch at Zap Thai. This is why I love the gig economy right here. You can make it happen. You can make your goal, hit them profits, and still do things that are working towards your future to maintain your success or to make sure you become successful. Let's go. Look, if you made it this far in the video, you the real MVP. And check this out. Go ahead and check out this next video right here, because it's the one YouTube think you should watch. So you might as well go ahead and check it out.